Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Postmortem findings of arsenic poisoning. In postmortem findings, you will see presence of multiple reddish erosions of gastric mucosa are seen, which gives the appearance of red velvety stomach. Subendocardial hemorrhages of ventricles are seen. These subendocardial hemorrhages of ventricles are seen in four poisons, that is arsenic poisoning, phosphorus, mercury, and viper snake bite. Tests.
thank you and thank you for watching.